What if I told you that you could go from zero to $894,000 on Upwork? Hi, my name is Josh Burns, and that's my story as an expert-vetted SQL Server DBA. Here are 4 game-changing tips that launched me into the top 1% on Upwork. Tip number 1 is to hire a freelancer. Going through the hiring process as an Upwork client is the single most important thing that transformed my Upwork profile and proposals. Tip number 2. Write personalized cover letters. You need to fully read the job description and address the client's problem in the first 1 to 2 sentences of your cover letter. Tip number 3 is to build a strong portfolio. When you make your profile, it's important to include 3 to 5 examples of your work. Tip number 4 is to never give up. It took me 3 months to win my first job on Upwork. If I had given up, then I would have missed out on over $894,000. So don't give up.